Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today let's make an ice-dyed top and short set. So the shirt and the shorts I both purchased from Costco. And the shirt is 100% cotton and it's an Maddie M brand. It's not pure white, it's just a little bit off-white. And then the shorts are a Kirsch brand. And they are made from 92% lensing, Eco-Vero, Rayon, and 8% polyester. I'm not exactly sure what the brand of Rayon is, but because it was Rayon, I thought I'd give it a shot. To make these where they kind of match, I don't know how well each of these fabrics are going to dye or if they're going to look close to each other. I'm going to just do some random sinew lines in this shirt and in this pair of shorts. I know because the shirt's 100% cotton, I kind of know what to expect from it. The shorts I'm not entirely sure about. I mean, they do say rayon and 8% polyester, so I'm hoping for the best, and I'm hoping when they're dyed, the colors are going to be very close to each other, not one of them a lot darker than the other one. So if you've been watching some of my recent videos, you know I've been trying out some of the colors that Amanda sent me from Delula Company. And I'm going to use one of these on this pair of shorts and shirt. I'm going to use chocolate cherries. I used it on a t-shirt and I thought that t-shirt turned out really pretty with a lot of cool color splits. So I'm going to try it on this set. I'm going to place the shirt and the shorts together down inside of a metal colander, and I have the metal colander stretched over the top of a plastic tote. I'm going to apply the dye over the top of the ice. I tend to get better color splits when I add the dye over the top of the ice versus under the ice. I tend to be a little heavy-handed with dye, so I don't get quite as many splits when I place a single color of dye underneath the ice. So I'm going to start by adding quite a bit of ice to the top of my items. Now I'm going to sprinkle the chocolate cherries over the top of the ice. And on top of the dye, I'm going to place an additional sprinkle of dry soda ash. I want to make sure I have plenty of dry soda ash in my items so that when the ice melts and runs through the shirt and the pair of shorts, it doesn't rinse out all of the original soda ash from the soda ash soak. The fiber reactive dye that I use needs to have the soda ash remaining in the items to raise the pH and allow the dye to bond properly with the fabric. After applying the dye, I put the shirt and shorts aside and allowed the ice to melt. After the ice melted, I waited about 24 hours before I began rinsing them. To rinse the items, I took them to my utility sink and I began rinsing them in cold water to rinse out the soda ash. Then I warmed the water up to hot and I continued rinsing in hot water to rinse out the excess dye that didn't bond with the fabric. I untied both the shirt and the shorts and then decided just to soak them. I put some really hot water in my utility sink, added a little bit of Blue Dawn dish detergent to the water, placed the items in the hot water and allowed them to soak. When the water cooled off, I changed it out and I continued that process until my water was remaining almost clear. Then I put both the shirt and the shorts into the washing machine and I washed them using a hot water cycle. Okay, so the shirt and shorts have been washed, dried, and ironed, and let's see what they look like. Okay, so what do you guys think? I think they look really pretty. I don't think I have one that's really a lot darker than the other one. They both dyed up really nicely. The shorts are obviously a softer, more slinky material because they are rayon, but they dyed up beautifully. I've put a whole bunch of pictures out here so you can see the shirt by itself, the shorts by itself, everything up close, and you can see how cool this color really splits. If you saw my Delula Company color swatches, the chocolate cherries is a pretty color, but it doesn't show all the splits that are actually in this color. So the first shirt that I did using this color, I was really surprised by how beautiful it was and wanted to try it again. Unfortunately, I tied the same exact design that I did my test shirt in, so that was kind of unexpected. I didn't intend necessarily to use chocolate cherries when I tied this set, but you know, when I was trying to pick a color, I thought, well, let's do this one again. So I thought I would embrace the using red on shorts. You know, I don't know if any of you guys have ever tried shorts before, but it's always this kind of unwritten rule that you have to watch what color you use on shorts. You don't want to use browns. You don't want to use reds. You know, you want to make it where it's not going to be embarrassing to wear them. So I thought, hey, let's just embrace that whole entire thing and use both brown and red. And I think it looks really good on this one because it's an intentional brown and an intentional red, and they're on both the shirt and the shorts. It doesn't look bad, but someplace I have a video, I think it's out here on YouTube, where I did a pair of rainbow shorts and it just did not go well. So just keep that in mind if you're doing shorts, you know, just watch what you put and where you put it and the colors you put on shorts, because it can be a pair that you don't really want to wear out. But I would totally wear these shorts. I think they look really cool. I like all of these color splits. I mean, this color has really pretty darker reds, kind of magenta-ish, you know, khaki, beige, gray. It's just a really pretty color. But what do you guys think? Do you all like this short set? Do you like this color? Please drop me some comments down below and let me know. And, you know, if you haven't ever tried out any of the Delula Company dyes, they're really pretty dyes. Amanda contacted me and asked if she could send me some dyes so that I could try them out, and I said sure. So this is one of the colors that she sent me. She has, I want to say 8 dyes out on her website, and I'll drop a link down below in the comments for this video to her website where you can go and check them out for yourself if you want to. But if you all have enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate it if you'd like it and if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you'll hit the bell, you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.